Hello friends, this is Kaustav Bishwas. Today in this frequently asked question series, I will discuss about how to build emergency funds. Emergency fund building is part of overall financial planning. Building an emergency fund is a crucial part of financial planning, as it helps you prepare for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden unemployment. Here's a step-by-step guide to building an emergency fund while doing financial planning. 1. Set a target amount. Goal. Typically, financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. However, this may vary based on your job stability, family size, and personal circumstances. Break it down. Start with smaller milestones. For example, aim for 1 month's worth of expenses first, then gradually build up to 3 or more months. 2. Assess your monthly expenses. Track your essential monthly expenses such as rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Use this data to determine how much you would need to cover your basic living expenses for 3 to 6 months. 3. Create a budget. Allocate a portion of your monthly income towards your emergency fund. Review your current spending and identify areas where you can cut back, such as dining out, subscriptions, or entertainment, and redirect that money into savings. 4. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This ensures consistency in saving. Choose a separate savings account that is easily accessible but not linked to your primary spending account to reduce the temptation to dip into it. 5. Prioritize debt payments, but save simultaneously. If you have high interest debt, continue making regular payments while also setting aside a small percentage for your emergency fund. For example, you can dedicate 80% of extra income to debt repayment and 20% to your emergency fund. Once high-interest debt is paid off, you can increase the amount you save. 6. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Review your discretionary spending and identify expenses that can be temporarily reduced or eliminated, such as subscriptions or impulse purchases. Channel the saved money into your emergency fund. 7. Increase income. If possible, look for ways to increase your income through side jobs, freelancing, or selling unused items. Direct this extra income into your emergency fund to reach your goal faster. 8. Reassess and adjust. Regularly reassess your emergency fund target as your expenses, income, and life circumstances change, e.g., marriage, kids, new job. Adjust your savings rate to keep your fund aligned with your current lifestyle. 9. Investments versus emergency fund. Keep your emergency fund separate from investments. Emergency funds should be liquid and not exposed to market risks. Use a high-yield savings account or a money market account for your emergency fund to earn a bit of interest while keeping your money safe and accessible. 10. Stay disciplined. Avoid dipping into your emergency fund for non-emergency purposes. Only use the fund for genuine emergencies and replenish it as soon as possible if you ever need to use it. By incorporating the above steps into your financial planning, you can steadily build a robust emergency fund while managing other financial priorities like debt repayment, investments, and long-term savings goals. Disclaimer: investments in the equity market are subject to market risks. It is essential to read all relevant documents carefully and thoroughly understand the risks involved before investing. This content is provided solely for informational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. For personalized financial solutions, it is advisable to consult with a qualified financial advisor, product expert, or product distributor. As registered financial product distributors, we do not charge any additional fees from our clients. Our remuneration is provided by the product companies. We distribute products which comes under regulatory frameworks. This effort is aimed at knowledge sharing, and we do not claim the completeness or accuracy of the content. Please refrain from making investment decisions based solely on this information.